Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies. Students, in my last lecture I taught you about viscosity and we have derived the dimensional formula for viscosity. So I hope that these all concepts are clear to you all, and for doing our next topic, that is Poiseuille's equation, the previous topics must be clear to you all. Okay, so let us proceed further with our today's topic, that is Poiseuille's equation. Now, what is Poiseuille's equation? So students, you can see on the board at the top it is written that Poiseuille's equation, and according to this equation there are 4 points which are describing Poiseuille's equation. Okay, so let us see the first point. First point is volume of liquid flowing per second is directly proportional to the pressure difference between two ends of pipe. Means this relation we have taken for the liquid which is flowing through a pipe. Okay, and first point is saying that how much volume of water can pass through that pipe per second. Okay, so first point is that volume of liquid flowing per second is directly proportional to the pressure difference between two ends of the pipe. Means what is the pressure difference? So you can mathematically write V is directly proportional to P. Okay, now second point is that volume of liquid flowing per second is directly proportional to fourth power of radius of pipe. Okay, that means volume of liquid flowing per second is directly proportional to R power 4. Students, here V means V upon per second, means 1 second. 1 second is there, that's why we are not mentioning it. That's why we are writing V alone. But in your mind it should be there that V means V upon T, where T means time equal to 1 second. Okay. So now third point is that this volume of liquid flowing per second is inversely proportional to length of the pipe. That means more is the length of the pipe, lesser will be the volume. And if lesser is the length of the pipe, more will be the volume. Okay, this was third point. So you can write in mathematical form that V is directly proportional to 1 upon L, or V is inversely proportional to L. Inversely means L will be in denominator. Okay. Fourth point is inversely proportional to coefficient of viscosity. Students, yesterday we have studied that coefficient of viscosity and we write it as eta. We write it by the letter eta, and eta is just like your N, but its one leg is little long. Okay, so it is inversely proportional to viscosity. That means more will be the viscosity, lesser will be the volume. So by combining these all points 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see P and R4 is in denominator, but L and eta is in denominator. Sorry, P and R4 is in numerator and L and eta is in denominator. So by combining these 1, 2, 3, 4 points, you will get this point that V is directly proportional to P, R4, eta, L. And whenever you will remove this proportionality sign, one constant will come here. Okay, and that constant is pi by 8. Okay, so this full formula is known as Poiseuille's formula. This full formula name is Poiseuille's formula. Okay, So once again I am repeating Poiseuille's formula. It has 4 points. That volume of liquid flowing per second through a pipe is directly proportional to pressure, is directly proportional to fourth power of radius of pipe. It is inversely proportional to length, and it is inversely proportional to eta. Eta means viscosity. And when you will combine these all, you will get one formula called as Poiseuille's formula, that is V is equal to pi upon 8 PR4 upon eta L. Okay, you need to keep in mind for competitive exams also, as well as MCQs in your board exams, because they can ask that in Poiseuille's formula, the volume of liquid flowing per second, how does it varies with the radius of the pipe? So you need to write it varies as fourth power of radius of pipe. Okay, so now our next topic is related to this only, that is numerical based upon this only, means numerical based upon Poiseuille's equation. Okay, so you can see on the right hand side that numerical is check the correctness of relation. Which relation? Poiseuille's formula only, which you have written here. Okay, so this is given, everything is given here, it is exactly same. And at last you can see they have written where the terms have their usual meaning, means terms have their usual meaning, nothing new we are changing in it. Okay, so dear students, here you need to identify first that which formula is it. So you have to write that, as we know, above equation is Poiseuille's formula. So what is V? V is volume of liquid per second. So what is the dimensional formula for volume? Volume means length cube, so it is m naught L cube T naught. Okay, and T is the time. Okay, so next is dimensional formula of left hand side. What is it? V is equal to m naught L cube, and when this T will go up, it will become T minus 1. Okay, so the total dimensional formula of left hand side will become m naught L cube T minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of left hand side of this equation. Now let us proceed towards the right hand side. In right hand side we are having PR cube upon eta L. What is P here? You can compare from there. P is the pressure, and pressure has dimensional formula m L minus 1 T minus 2. Next is radius, means R4, and radius has dimension formula L, because radius is the simply length. So it is L4. Eta is viscosity, and its dimension formula is ml minus 1 T minus 1. L is again length, so it is L. Now cancel the terms which can be cancelled. M and M will cancel with each other, so m naught L minus 1 will cancel. Here L is 4, here is L is single. So L will be 4 minus 1, because 4 is in numerator, L is in denominator. T minus 1, T minus 2. So T minus 2, then this minus 1 will go up, it will become plus 1. So T minus 2 plus 1. So you are left with m naught L cube T minus 1. Just compare dimension formula of right hand side with dimension formula of left hand side. You will get that dimensional formula of left hand side is equal to dimensional formula of right hand side. Hence, the relation is correct. Okay, so students, this is all about your today's topic, that is Poiseuille's equation, and this topic is very important, especially from numerical point of view. Many times they are asking this question and students are getting confused between V. That what is V here? Is it volume simply or something else? So here you need to keep in your mind that V is not a simply volume. It is the volume of liquid flowing through a pipe per second. Per second means you have to divide by time in dimensional formula. Get it? So please go through this topic again, prepare notes and revise. This is enough for today. Thank you. Have a good day.